Alright, my heavy busted ladies, it's time we unite because it's time we try out new bras for you guys. If you've ever struggled finding a bra that feels comfortable, supports you, and you don't feel the need to take it off the minute you enter your home, actually, वो तो सबके साथ ही होता है. Then this is the video for you. This is going to be the third or fourth edition of my bra series that has been going on. Now the agenda for this video is to find out bras that are comfortable for everyday use and still give me coverage and the support and lift. And I also have some strapless options to try out. So without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. And all of these items are from Amazon. I find Amazon पे ये सारे brands are at the best deal. Do check out the links in the description. And now let's go. Also बीच में बहुत tips वगैरह बताती रहूँगी on my experience कि कौन सी bras work better for me, कैसे fitting की होनी चाहिए, कैसा back strap होना चाहिए, everything. So let's go. Now let's talk about the bra that I'm currently wearing right now under this dress. It's by Naked by Nykaa. It's their regular t-shirt bra that comes with light padding. Doesn't have any underwiring. एक time था जहाँ मैं underwiring fully padded bras पहनती थी, but with time I realized they don't work. Those are good as, you know, वो going out वाली bras, but for the comfort that you need for your everyday life, those don't work, but these ones work. Now the reason why this is one of my most favorite everyday bras is because A, it gives me coverage that seems seamless. इस tight dress में भी you can see बहुत कोई lines दिख नहीं रही है यहाँ पे. You can wear it under tight kurtis, tank tops, anything, and you are good to go. The material is very comfortable on your skin, and गर्मियों में भी अगर मैं बाहर पहनूँ तो वो extra गर्मी नहीं लगती है जो padded bras में बहुत easily होता है. You sweat a lot. इसमें ऐसा नहीं है. And इसका side strap is thick enough to give me, you know, compression and tightness. यहाँ से ऐसे अजीब सा bulge भी नहीं आ रहा है side से. So all in all, this is a good 5 out of 5 because it just stood out in every front. My size and everything would be mentioned here. Now let's try out another bra. So you know, recently जब मैं पहली बार अपने boyfriend के साथ रह पा रही थी, that's when I realized I have completely stopped buying anything remotely sexy. Be it cute nightwear, मैं कुछ भी नहीं लेके गई थी. मैं सिर्फ एक ही olive set लेके गई थी. And I was like, you're living with your partner for the first time. लड़कियाँ क्या कुछ नहीं खरीदती शिदा. And you took this. Yeah, so this is my way of like redoing it a little. I bought something sexy. So this one comes with, you know, underwiring. It's not padded. And I love the fact कि ये side से ना, it's thick. It's really thick. यहाँ का bulge control में रहा है. So this is one of those key things that I always notice while buying a bra. Now let's try it on. Okay, time for an honest review. Number one, of course, it's lacy, तो ये ऐसे wide neck tops के लिए बिल्कुल भी suitable नहीं है. You can see it's peeping through. Second of all, without pads, it's actually much more breathable. The lace is very comfortable. वो ऐसी pokey सी lace नहीं है. The underwiring feels like a good lift to my breast, of course, but I realized it's 34C that I'm wearing, and usually I'm a 34D or a 36C. And कुछ brands में I am 34C. It depends on the brands actually. And 34C actually doesn't fit really badly. कुछ भी नहीं है, but हाँ थोड़ा ज़्यादा snug है. But I don't think so. This is going to be my everyday bra, so I don't mind. In between the pads, there's also a little cutout. It actually looks very sexy. So this also gets a 4.5. 0.5 मैं सिर्फ इसलिए काट रही because it's not lightly padded ना, तो मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा ये जो fitting है cups का, it's not just perfect. बाकी it's a beautiful bra. This one comes with underwiring. Underwiring से आपके boobs थोड़े और ज़्यादा lifted होते हैं. That is going to happen, and you can see with the curves here, it has lifted the cups a little too much. So I think 0.5 मैं इन्हीं चीज़ों के लिए काट रही हूँ. I don't want this much lift. So yeah. Also, if you're searching for more everyday comfortable bras, I'm going to link all of my favorites in the description box for you guys. Okay, then I'm repurchasing one of my holy grail strapless bras. I think I've mentioned about it in every other video of mine. और मैं इसके at least 5-6 sizes पहन चुकी हूँ. जितना मैं use करती हूँ कि वो खराब हो जाती है, उसके बाद I repurchase it. I was literally dying to repurchase this one. It's from Enamore. Yeah, it's the perfect shaping bra. Now, in sizing are an issue. A lot of you guys mentioned it comes from 32 to 38 and B or C cup ही आता है. So I always say कि go for a C cup, the largest cup that they have, and increase the band size. It just works for me. Now side bulges के लिए this bra has यहाँ पे एक हल्का सा stick है which keeps everything on hold. यहाँ पे side में they've given elastic पूरे back strap में. Again, it gives you a snug fitting. और कोई अंडरवायरिंग एंड पैडिंग नहीं है तो कंफर्ट भी होता है. एंड लेट मी जस्ट गिव यू अ ट्राई ऑन नाउ. ऑलराइट, डू यू सी द सीमलेस फिटिंग एंड हाउ कंफर्टेबल आई लुक? एंड दिस इज 34C बाय द वे. मैं एक टाइम पे 36C लेती थी, बट आई थिंक 34C इज perfect. Now this is what I was saying, 34C from Nykaa की everyday bras might feel a little snug, but Enamour में 34C is my perfect size. Every brand has a different sizing standard. So if you're somebody who's very young and अभी पहली strapless bra लेने वाली है अपनी, girl, just take this one. I think this is under 800 rupees. It is just the most perfect, the most comfortable. हल्का सा हाँ, with time वो जो elastic है पीछे वो एकदम तुम्हारी skin में घुस जाएगा. बट इस रेंज में इस लेवल की कंफर्ट और कोई ब्रा नहीं दे रही है. अब देखो, सीधी सी बात है, अगर आप बहुत नाचोगे ये थोड़ी ऊपर नीचे हो ही जाएगी. दैट इज अ गिवन. फॉर माई साइज करंटली 34C इज परफेक्ट. रिमेंबर आई मेंशन कि इस वाली ब्रा में सिर्फ B और C कप्स आते हैं. इस बार स्क्रॉल करते हुए आई फाउंड Enamour हैज अनदर स्ट्रैपलेस ब्रा दैट कम्स विद cups B, C, D and even double D. Now double D is always sold out, so I got D. This is their strapless multi-way full support bra. It's padded, it's wired and it's medium coverage. Okay, I have a lot to say about this bra. First of all, I am surprised that somehow it's giving me the support and comfort. इसके पीछे की थोड़ी broader जो elastic है, it feels much more comfortable on my back skin. And even though the cups aren't the perfect size, I will say this, I think I am a size double D, जो out of stock है. This is 34D, but it's still hanging on. It's still good enough. I think इसमें you also have to help me out कि how is this fitting looking on me. मुझे of course वो जो बिना padded and wiring वाली bra है, इससे पहले वाली Enamour is my favorite. I'm a little biased towards Enamour because it gave me that bra 3 years ago. But this one is actually not bad. It's actually giving me a much better fitting than compared to the Nykaa की strapless one. उसके cups were like this. इसके cups are still like stuck on me. अगर इतनी tight dress में भी मुझे एक अच्छी finish और fitting मिल रही है, I will give it a thumbs up. I am going to say मैंने 34 band size ही रखा है, but I kind of feel I should go for double D. That's it. But again, a simple सा point. Just because you're padded and underwired है, तो my boobs are a little more lifted. So if I dance in this, things are gonna move a little because ऊपर से कोई covering नहीं है. Whereas in the previous bra, that was just like a tube bra, it gave me a much more snug fitting. So yeah, even though both of them work, I still prefer the previous one. If you are somewhere around C cup or B cup ना, ये आपके लिए बहुत अच्छी रहेगी. It will actually give a much better finish under tank tops. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I have solved another issue of strapless bra. I think मेरी जिंदगी का purpose ही है to find the best bras for you guys. What do you think? This is pretty good. Like, I am impressed how good this feels, Abhi. Okay, before giving out the award for the best find of this video to this Enamour bra, I have one last contender, which is from Naked by Nykaa. I got this strapless bra again because I got some really good reviews about it, and this is 36D. I think last time मैंने कोई और size try किया था, so I felt like I should give it one another go, and this would happen right in front of you. You can see this fitting. Now let's switch it up. This is also very comparable to the Enamour one. अंदर ऐसे ही pads हैं. इसका strap भी काफी thick है. Very similar to Enamour one. Now let's see how the fitting is. Okay. This is how the Naked by Nykaa bra fits me. I will say somehow band size बढ़ाने के बाद भी इसका band is still tight to me, even though this is 36D and that was 34D. I feel I was much more comfortable in that one. The only issue that I have with this bra is somehow its cups give a very weird line to me, and the cups don't sit very nicely on my boobs. They actually stand out ऐसे. तो वो टाइट टॉप्स में एक अलग सी लाइन बना के जाते हैं, which is my main concern. Had it been a little more seamless, I think I would have given it the award for the best bra, strapless one. But क्योंकि I love Naked by Nykaa, the only thing that I haven't tried from them is sports bras for now. वरना उनकी बाकी सारी चीज़ें are absolutely one of my favorites. But क्या कर सकते हैं? वरना पीछे से भी it's seamless, आगे से भी it's giving a good look and fit. It's just the cups की जो वो lining आ रही है. It's just about how the cups are made on this one. That is why this is winning. And I'm gonna give Nykaa वाली को a 3.5. And with this we've come to the end of today's episode as well. मैं actually initially try कर रही थी कि Nykaa, Enamore इन सब की sports bra भी try करूँ. But I felt like वो बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी video. But let me know if you'd be interested in me testing out some sports bras for you. And if you're watching my face for the very first time, hit the red button, guys. What are you doing? Hit the red button and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you very, very soon.